LinkedIn profile optimization. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to LinkedIn.com and log in using your preferred method. In this example, we're using Google to log in. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the LinkedIn home screen. On the home screen, click on your name, which is located on the left side of the page. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile. To add a cover image, click the camera icon at the top and select Add Cover Image. You can either upload your own image or choose one of the available images provided by LinkedIn. To edit your introduction section, click the pencil icon. Here, you can make changes to your name, pronouns, current position, and education information. To add more experience, click the plus button and select Add Position. Then, fill out your job title, employment type, company name, and specify the start and end dates of the position. Once completed, click Save. You can also add your skills by selecting the Add Skills button. Type in the skills you want to include on your profile, and when you're finished, click Save. Now your profile is optimized and ready to share.